go this time? In the dark I can't see a light, chasing the sunny side. In your mystery I'm all alone, and the shadows scream, come home.
When you think of maternity photography, you probably imagine soft light, flowing fabrics, pastel tones. But what happens when we strip all of that away? No props, no dreamy setup, just a black backdrop, bare skin and a single light source. A look that transforms a baby bump into a piece of art. Hi, I'm Tanja, a portrait photographer based in Düsseldorf, Germany. And today I will show you how to create bold, intimate maternity portraits using just one flash and a black backdrop. All from the comfort of my living room here, no studio required.
Where do I go?
Instead of my usual white vinyl, I hang up a plain black fabric backdrop. That alone added so much depth. All attention goes straight to the light and the body. I used a Godox AD 200 Pro with a 90 cm Octabox placed around the 10 o'clock position, slightly behind Adriana, angled just right. And here's the key. I didn't use a grid. The light spilled softly across her body at a diagonal, not frontally. Only the areas that turn into the light get illuminated. Everything else fades into shadow. The closer the light is to the subject, the faster it falls off, creating contrast and depth. But be careful, you need to keep the light just outside the frame. It should shape the scene without being seen. Also, we are shooting from the shadow side. That lighting style, it's called short lighting, and I love it.
Where do I go this time? In the dark I can't see a light, chasing the sunny side. In your mystery I'm all alone, and the shadows scream, come home. Feel my heart losing time, chasing the sunny side. And I know you're so and I don't like you, and I'm sick but I'm objective too. And I really think I've seen enough to know you. Where do I go this?
Adriana wore simple black underwear. Subtle but full of presence. The skin catches the light beautifully. The shadows define her form. The belly becomes almost sculptural. When posing, I always make sure arms don't press too tightly against the body. Any spot where skin touches skin loses definition. Leaving small gaps, like in this picture here, like bending the arm slightly, allows the light to flow through and shape the body. The face plays a big role too. If Adriana turned too far away, she'd disappear in shadow, but with just a slight turn back, the light painted a soft line across her forehead, nose and cheek. I love bringing motion into portraits. Adriana moved slowly, played with her hair, shifted her gaze, and I waited for that perfect second where everything came together. If you enjoy this clean, minimalistic style, I'd love your support. Drop a like or let me know in the comments if you have ever tried a moody maternity shoot like this, or if you prefer the lighter, more playful look. And if you'd like to see more calm, artistic videos like this in your feed, hit that subscribe button. This was the trickiest part. Lighting two people with only one source. Adriana's partner stood slightly behind him, close enough to catch the light without overpowering the scene. But he couldn't move. One wrong step and his face vanished into shadow. I stopped down the aperture a bit to keep both of them in focus. The result? Some truly powerful images. Quiet, emotional, full of symbolism. He is in the background, but the connection between them is unmistakable. This setup doesn't try to be pretty, but it's honest, raw and deeply artistic. It's not soft, not pastel, not what most people expect from maternity photos. And that's what makes it beautiful to me. It's stripped down, it's intimate, and in that simplicity lies real strength. Sorry, my English is not the best. It matched Adriana and Mikael perfectly. And the best part, you don't need a studio. Just one light and the willingness to connect. That's all you need. If you are thinking, well, this is nice, but I prefer something more creative, more playful, then check out the video linked right here or here, I don't know. I will show you how to use just two lenses to create two completely different looks. One classic, one edgy and bold. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye!